What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK.
Mr. Olympia bodybuilding legend Shawn Rhoden dead at 46. Rest in peace, Mr. Rhoden. You understand? Jamaican bodybuilder legend. Rest in peace. Shawn Rhoden shared a heartwarming post on social media of him hugging his young daughter just days before the bodybuilder's shocking death. Nearly a week ago, Rhoden shared a series of photos of his 6-year-old daughter, Cora, during Halloween. Life is not measured by the number of breaths we take, but by the moments that they take our breath away, he wrote on the post. The first picture features Rhoden holding Cora with a message on the photo reading, "Princess, you are my reason, my purpose, and my why, Cora Capri." Rhoden tragically died on the weekend, aged 46, after suffering a heart attack. Generation Iron reported Rhoden's trainer Chris Aceto confirmed his death to close friends. Posts on social media from fellow athletes and bodybuilding fans also began pouring in for the late star. Bodybuilder Cedric Macmillan posted on Instagram a picture of him and Rhoden together. His caption was only a tag to Rhoden's Instagram account. Friend Rob Bailey wrote, "One of the greatest, we had so many good times together, you will be missed, man." In his last Instagram stories post, Rhoden shared a meme which read, "Be with someone who will take care of you, not materialistically, but takes care of your soul, your well-being, your heart, and everything that is you." Rhoden added the words "real talk" over the meme in red letters. Rhoden was a modern bodybuilding legend, best known for winning the prestigious Mr. Olympia competition in 2018. He discovered bodybuilding in 1992 and entered into the sport on an amateur level. However, he faced several injuries and after his dad died in 2002, turned to alcohol and reportedly became addicted. Years later, and following a slow recovery, Rhoden returned to the sport eventually, earning his International Federation of Bodybuilding and Fitness Pro card in 2010. Rhoden placed 11th at his Mr. Olympia debut in 2011. He rose to 3rd place in 2012 and from then on remained in the top 5 of the competition year after year. In 2018, Shawn defeated the legendary Phil Heath in the Mr. Olympia competition at the age of 43. Making him the oldest bodybuilder to ever win the title. Just sees, Jah knows my people. You understand? And I just want to say, rest in peace to Mr. Shawn Rhoden, people. He's a legend, and if many people didn't know, now you shall know. This man was a Jamaican, born from Kingston, Jamaica, my people. You understand? And he is a legend in the sport, because when I heard of the bodybuilding competition, people, and I heard back in 2018, this man won the competition, people, at the age of 43, making him the oldest person to ever win this competition, people. And he defeated the legendary Phil Heath. And everybody knows, if you haven't known Phil Heath, this man is a champion who have won so much of this title, you understand? And to see what Mr. Rhoden has got through in his past, people, when I heard of he thought, they said in 2002 when his dad died and he turned to alcohol and so on, then he revived back and come in 2010 and start doing his thing, and it take him 8 years after that to come so boom and finally won the competition for himself. They said he placed like 50 in the top 5 and all of that, people, but eventually at the age of 43 making history, the oldest person to ever won this competition, my people. So, you know, rest in peace, Mr. Rhoden, man. And basically, people, all of these posts that he did make, especially the one with his daughter, people, you can know that he was going through some tough times, you know, because he was married, people, and his marriage didn't last long. You know, in less than 2 years, you know, his marriage just messed up, fell apart, and divorce and everything, people. But this man, a lot of people look up to him, a lot of people know, people, what he has done, what he has contributed to the sport of bodybuilding, my people. And, you know, fly high, legend, fly high, you know, rest in peace, my Jamaican brother. So, you don't know, people, we have to show respect, we have to show love, you know what I mean, to our Jamaican brothers, especially when they are out there making strides and doing great things in this world. And it's just sad to know that we have lost a brother here. So, you don't know the thing of my people. This is NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production, man. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do subscribe now and hit that notification bell so as I drop a video, you will get them. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter, NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss. Please remember, like, share, comment, and do subscribe. Thank you all for the love and for the support. Rest in peace, Shawn Rhoden. Shawn Rhoden. Shawn Rhoden. Fly high in heaven, my brother. Peace out.